Hi guys, today we will learn how to download and install VMware Workstation on Windows. Let's start the video. We will go to Google and type VMware, and we will go to the first website, the main website of VMware. Then we will go to products. We'll scroll down and see desktop hypervisors. Download Fusion or Workstation, and it will lead us to Broadcom website. Here we need to log in. We need to type the email, and we need to type the password. If you don't have account, you need to register first. So if you don't have account, you register first, then log in. Now I'm logged in. When you log in, you need to go to this button here, type here, and then you go to VMware Cloud Foundation. Then we need to go VMware. We need to type here Workstation, VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, now we need to download VMware Workstation Pro 17 for Windows. If you are using Linux, you need to click on this. Okay. Now we will go to the latest version. We will download the latest version. Now I need to hit here and agree to terms and conditions. Now I need to hit on this button here. Prior to downloading this file, additional verification is required. Proceed. Okay, yes. Here we need to fill all information: first name, last name, email, company, address 1, address 2, city. Okay, I will fill everything here. Country, state, and submit. Now the download will start. I need to hit again on this, and the download will start. Here, as you see, it will take a little bit of time. Then okay, okay guys, download finished successfully. Now we will click on this and installation will start. This installer requires you to restart your system to finish installing Microsoft VC redistributable, and then rerun the installer. Okay, I will manually restart later. Okay, let's check again. I think it's mandatory to restart, so I will restart my PC. Okay guys, PC restarted. I restart my computer. Now I will go back to downloads and install again. Okay. Here I have already VMware, but um, earlier version. So here it's telling me that I need to it will upgrade my VMware workstation. No problem. I will go next. I accept. Next. I leave everything as default. The installation folder has been changed. Changing the installation folder is not recommended because other folders might not be secure and could allow. It's telling me that changing the installation folder is not recommended. I will hit on OK. No problem. Check for product updates on startup. Join the VMware customer experience. I don't need this. Okay, next. As default, next. And here we will I will hit on upgrade. I already installed VMware but earlier version, so now I will upgrade. It's here now uninstalling some of files, and then it will install back again newer version. Okay, done, finish. Here it's telling me you must restart your system for the configuration changes made to VMware Workstation to take effect. Okay, I will restart manually. No need. Now, if I go to VMware Workstation, enter a license. I don't have license. I will use it for personal use. Okay, finish. Here is the VMware Workstation. Here we can make virtual machines, and I will do another videos on how to do virtual machines and installing operating systems on it. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.